aunt, who was an operating room nurse in Pennsylvania, asked us if a robot could assemble a surgical case cart, because she always had the wrong instruments delivered to the operating room. So at the time, we had no idea what a surgical case cart was at all. So we actually did a deep dive on YouTube during the dark days of the pandemic to understand sterile processing. And during that, we discovered through our research at the Veterans Affairs Hospital that in the prep and pack and tray assembly areas in sterile processing in hospitals, there's a lot of room for errors and missing bioburden and contamination of surgical instruments. So we saw that problem and believed that we had the expertise in robotics and computer vision and AI in order to solve it. And we pitched our ideas to Catalyst by Wellstar, where they internally validated the same problem and really liked our solution. And now we're starting to work inside of Wellstar hospitals to bring our product to fruition.
RIF is so fascinating because it's something that's never been seen before within the sterile processing department. Having a robotic arm be able to do simple tasks of just assembling a tray, and that can be just the tip of the iceberg of how robots can help and augment how people work today. In
describing what we're trying to do and what we're trying to accomplish, one of the technicians had a reaction about us replacing their jobs or replacing them with our product. And that's something that's typical that we interact with. But then upon further conversations and in further explaining what we're trying to do, there was an aha moment because she recalled a day where she was the only technician on that shift, which means that she would have to do everything. The decontam part, the scrubbing, the prep and pack, the wrapping. And the aha moment was, if I had a robot, I could have the robot do the work on one station and then I can focus on other tasks.